Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can download all files, including photos and videos, at once from your Google Photos account really quickly, for example, to save them on your desktop computer or laptop all at once. So let us guide you through this really quickly. It is super simple, guys. Head over to Google Photos, be it through your mobile app or through the web application. Make sure that you're logged in with your Google account and head over to your photo library here in the top left corner. And after that, simply select multiple files or even all items in your library if you like. To do that, simply start with the first item, for example, here with the uppermost one by left-clicking on the checkmark icon in the top left corner of it, just like that. And to select multiple files, guys, simply press and hold left shift on your keyboard, just like that. Browse through your library and select the last item of your selection, which in this case here would be, for example, that video. All of that while pressing and holding left shift on your keyboard. So while doing that, simply click on that checkmark icon here of the last item. That's basically it. As you can see, all of these items have been successfully selected. So to download all at once, simply click on these three dots in the top right corner to access more options. And from that drop-down menu, select download, or alternatively use the shortcut Shift-D to download all of these items at once on your device, for example, as a zip file to unpack them later. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.